Aloha and welcome to a beautiful summer 2022 day in Kapalua, Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations. I'm a third generation Maui born and raised realtor, and my team also runs a very successful vacation rental program here in Kapalua and many of the other resort destinations in Maui. Let's go check it out. Aloha and welcome to the beautiful Honolua Bay here in the heart of the Kapalua Resort in Upper West Maui. Directly below the Kapalua Ridge Villas lives this year-round white sandy beach with absolutely breathtaking views of the island of Molokai directly ahead. We see the walking trail, which is part of the Kapalua Coastal Walking Trail. The Kapalua Bay Villas directly ahead. Beautiful spot to enjoy absolutely perfect aquatic conditions, swimming, boogie boarding, snorkeling, all those sorts of things. You can see the Kapalua Bay course there in the distance, and then heading up towards the walkway within walking distance of Honolua Bay are the Kapalua Ridge Villas. Let's go check them out. Aloha and wow. Welcome to Kapalua Ridge Villas Residence 1421, a panoramic ocean view, 1-bedroom, 2-bath residence here in the heart of the Kapalua Resort, looking west through the glass window towards the island of Molokai directly ahead. We have the beautiful sandy shores of Honolua Bay directly below us. Looking further north towards Lipoa Point, Honolua Bay and Kapalua Bay, all within short proximity of this beautiful 1-bedroom, 2-bath vacation rental residence that has just been expertly remodeled with the highest attention to detail and quality. Brand new porcelain wood grain tile flooring. Enjoy just spectacular views and fresh, cool trade winds out on the covered lanai. All of the tile continues into the interior of this large 1-bedroom residence. As I mentioned, we just completed a fall 2022 comprehensive remodel of this gorgeous villa. All designer furniture throughout, nice little seating desk, comfortably sleeping 4. We've got a pull-out sleeper sofa queen couch directly ahead. Mid-century modern coastal contemporary decor throughout. Beautiful quartz countertops. Brand new stainless appliances. Properly equipped kitchen as a home away from home. Plenty of dishes, spices, cutlery, everything that you will need. Spectacular views from the kitchen itself. Open concept living. Perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Brand new split air conditioning systems throughout, as well as fans. We've also got ample pantry space in the kitchen. Brand new flat screen TVs. The front door to the residence, and this is where we keep our beach gear. And just absolutely spectacular walk-in and wow views the second you walk in 1421's doors. We've got the half bath here. In residence washer and dryer. Beautiful sink with the white quartz and matte black accents. Very detailed herringbone tile. So perfect half bath for those utilizing the sleeper sofa in the living room. Here in our master bedroom, high ceilings, Very spacious bedroom, garden view with the brand new king bed with its own flat screen TV. Views of the golf course directly behind us, as well as the shower trees, areca palms, a beautiful setting, barn doors for additional closet storage space, and then one of the very coolest master baths I've seen in quite some time, continuing with that herringbone theme on the tile. Nice bench to sit and relax. Just absolutely gorgeous craftsmanship here. Dual sinks, also with matte black mirrors. The property is well equipped with 550 count Pima cotton white linens, as well as beautiful bathroom towels to properly accompany those. So once again, this has been a tour of Kapalua Ridge Villas, residence 1421. You can find us online at vacations.hawaiilife.com and look for Ridge Villas 1421, or inquire directly with our reservations team at Maui Vacations at hawaiilife.com by email. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations, saying aloha and a hui ho from Kapalua, Maui.